So
right now. It's good, delicious.
I'm going to show you the cake quickly right now. Oh my! After years, it has been a couple of hours, and it is finally time to come out of hiding. The snow has vanished. It's amazing. Oh, I love this. Don't you think my hair's good, guys? Oh, my hair's on fleek. Oh, if I dyed my hair blonde, I'd look like Jake Paul's brother. But you have no idea how uncomfortable it is in there. I had to sleep in there until the storm blew over. And just to let you know, Frank McDonald, if you're out there watching this, thank you so much. Without you, I wouldn't even be able to not realise that there was a snowstorm coming all the way over to UK. So, again, if you haven't watched yesterday's video, I want you to go and subscribe to Frank McDonald. But I think that that's a good way to end the video. So, can you subscribe, like, comment, and follow me on Twitter at JadabsTV, and I'll see you tomorrow.